Hello and welcome to 5Tech. This is Abbas. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about YUM, that is YOLO Dog Update Modified, which is basically used for installing packages. And it's basically more important thing is you can install, uninstall, you can list packages, you can update packages, you can remove packages. And it is YUM is used for accessing packages via network. Okay, most important thing, that is what you need to understand. So very first thing is cd space /etc/ yum.repo. So to check the repositories out here, so if you just type ls after this, you can find these are the repos which are present here. So rhui beta, then rhui client 8 config, then rhui.repo. These are the repositories which are present here. In case if you want to check the repos, this is the command you have to use. Now let's start with how to check the repo list. Okay, straight yum space repo list will give you more info about the repositories. Earlier command just gave you a very less info. Now this is more. This is a repo ID, which is repository ID, RHEL8 app stream RHUI RPMS, that is Red Hat Package Management System. Then Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 for x86 64-bit, and this is a repo name and this is a repo ID. Let's see the list of all the packages which are present here. Yum space list all. So it will list out all the packages that are present in an OS from A to Z, complete packages out. You can see here, these are the packages along with the version, and this is a package which is connected to a repository. So this is how you do. Next is yum space list all. It will list all the packages again. Okay. Now let me see how to let us check how to install the packages. Okay, let me say yum install. I'll go for httpd-y. Okay, this is how you install a package, and it says dependencies resolved, nothing to do. That means these packages were already present. So another one, if you want to install yum install sshd, okay, -y. This is a package which is used for installing SSH. Okay, no problem, nothing out here. Then you have yum install say VSFTPD, which stands for Very Secure File Transfer Protocol Daemon. This is a package which is used for FTP, File Transfer Protocol. If you want to transfer a file from one OS to another OS, or from one origin to another origin, whatever you say, from one system to another system, you install FTP package. It's basically for transferring files. Okay. Now say this particular package I installed, say yum, okay, info. I want to know about VSFTPD package. So I just got to say yum, give me an information about VSFTPD package. So it displays all the info about this package. Okay, name of the package is VSFTPD. Packages do have a version, that is 3.0.3. okay, release is here 3.1. Enterprise Linux 8. Architecture, it supports 64-bit and size is 343 KB. Source is this, and repository, can you see from which repo? Because everything that you get, if this repo is not configured, you cannot retrieve or you cannot install the package, you don't get any info about it. So repository is very important. How to configure the repository, that you can see in any other videos of mine later. So this is very simple. I'm just showing you how to install the package. Okay, info package. Now I just want to know, say I want to uninstall the package. I can say yum uninstall the package name is VSFTPD, which is okay. I can even erase the package. So sure. Yum erase VSFTPD. Yes, done. So this is how that. Now, if you give try given command where you want to know the info about the package, it says you get the info of the package. But if you want to work on the package, for example, let's check the status of the package. Okay, service VSFTPD status, VSFTPD status. So it doesn't show anything. So again, I got to install the package. Okay, I would say yum install this package. Okay, whenever you install a package, if you want to work on that package, you got to write this command: service start package name VSFTPD. VSFTPD start. Go to this. Okay. So not the earlier command, please. I'm sorry. This is how you write the command, and you want to check the status. Can you see out here? It says it's active and running. Okay. Now, in case if I stop service VSFTPD stop the running one, out here what you see, look at the change here, what it says. If again you go back to status, it says, where is it? It has completely stopped now. Stop. It says it's inactive. It's dead and inactive. So again, what I do, I just go here, first service VSFTPD start, and again I go back and check the status. It's active and running. This is how. Very first thing, please remember, whenever you install a package, you install yum install package name, then start a service, then enable the firewall and start working on it. So remember, first thing is install the package, second start the service, okay, third firewall. So firewall. So these three things are very important to work on yum, and this is how you install the package. So we saw that yum repo list. Again, I just redo everything. This is how a list of repositories, yum install, okay, then take some time, then you have yum list available, list of available packages, okay, last metadata expiration date, this is okay, okay, info about package, uninstall the package. In case you want to update the package, yum say update VSFTPD. Any updates are there, it will take care of it. You don't have to worry about updates. You want to remove the package, yum remove VSFTPD, remove the package. This is how you work on yum. Few things about yum. So yum repo list, yum list all, yum list installed packages, yum list available packages, yum info package name, yum install package name, then start that service, yum uninstall the package name, yum update package, and we have yum remove package name. This is about yum. Thank you very much. If you have any info, kindly write back on my mail s110abbas@gmail.com. I work for a company called as 5Tech. So any issues about this, kindly write back. I shall revert ASAP. Thank you very much.